Hey kids, if you're looking for an easy Valentine painting idea, you can't do much better than flying heart balloons. They're big and colorful, and it's easy to add a little highlight or a white spot to make them look extra shiny. If you follow this tutorial along with me, I'll show you how easy it is to do. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies I recommend for this project are a sheet of watercolor paper, a pencil, some crayons, a tray of watercolor paint, paintbrush, and a container for your water. You may also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. The first thing we need to do is start filling our page with hearts. I'm going to start with one here, one that's tilted just a little bit. If you try to draw slowly, it will probably help you make it nice and round at the top and pointy at the bottom. Now I'm moving down and to the right and drawing another heart. This one is very close to the edge of the page. Next, I'm moving back up to the top of the paper and to the left and adding a heart there. This one's tilted a little bit to the right. Feel free to draw your hearts wherever you want. We're just trying to fill the paper so that it looks nice and balanced. I have some space in the top right corner. I think I'll make this heart go off the page so there's plenty of space around it. To fill in that space on the left side, I'm going to add a heart that has the bottom kind of cut off. And one last heart that's kind of tilted to the left so we only see the right side. Again, feel free to make your own arrangement. Just try to check that things look balanced when you're done. Here's an easy step to turn these shapes into balloons. Simply add a small triangle wherever you see the bottom of a heart. Then, to add to that idea that these balloons are kind of flying away, draw a wavy string at the bottom of each balloon. Once your pencil drawing is done, it's time to get out a crayon and start tracing over all of those lines. I'm going to use a red one because that's going to be pretty close to the colors I'm going to paint my balloons. You'll see I'm going over the lines and then going over it again because we need to have those lines really thick. Sometimes the color doesn't show up until you do it at least 2 times. Once you're finished tracing really well over those pencil lines, then switch back to your pencil and we're going to add those small little curved highlight shapes. They kind of look like moons, and we need to just add them to each balloon the same size and on the same side. Please excuse that little kitty interruption. Here's the last highlight or shiny spot shape that I need to draw. The next step is to paint our heart balloons. So bring out your watercolor tray and your container of water and brush. I'm going to begin by painting this bottom right one red. So simply soften the paint a little bit, and I recommend painting around that highlight or that shiny spot first so you don't accidentally fill it in. And then afterwards, slowly fill in the rest of the heart and the little triangle below. Moving on to the next heart, it's the same process. I think I'm going to use this kind of raspberry purple color next. So I'm getting my brush full of paint, painting around that highlight shape, and then filling in the balloon. Do try to work slowly so that you can stay inside those crayon lines if you can. Moving on, I'm going to switch over to a pretty orange color now. So it's still just getting the paint wet, spreading it around that highlight shape, and then slowly filling in the rest of the balloon. And look who's come back to check out what I'm doing. You know, I have to admit it's kind of fun to watch my kitty watch me, so I'm going to see if I can leave her here for just another minute or so. For this next balloon, I'm going to clean my brush and switch over to yellow and paint that in. Now this is just showing the right side of the balloon, so I don't have to think about that shiny spot. It wouldn't be showing on this one. Okay, those last couple of balloons have been filled in, so now I can move on to the background. I'm going to go with more of the light sky blue color for this example. So simply do what you've done before, soften the paint, spread it out, and when your brush runs dry, then get some more. Continue working until that background sky is all filled in. You'll probably notice that you can paint right over those crayon lined strings and they still show up. Here's another look at my finished heart balloon painting. You know, I think this is the perfect project for those watercolor paints as they make the most beautiful textured color. It's one of my favorite things about them. If you enjoyed this art lesson, then check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you'll find even more fun Valentine projects like how to draw a Valentine gnome and how to draw Britto hearts. I hope you check them out too, and I hope you keep on drawing and painting.